I hope everyone able to see my screen. I am in the Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome. I am in Google Chrome. And as discussed in the demo already, SuccessFactors, it's a cloud system. You need not to install any app, any GUI, nothing in it. Just you require a minimal internet connectivity. That's it. The bandwidth. That's it. So it's based on URL, username, and password. Due to this, you can sit anywhere in the world and you can work. This is my SuccessFactors URL, demo system URL. SAP has the official demo system for learners from SuccessFactors. From SAP. How we have in SAP HCM, we have ideas. From SAP, we have demo system or trial system. It's the same like your real-time system, nothing any difference. So this is my username and password. And click on login. Look at here. This is the home page. This is the home page. The moment you log in into the system, this is the home page. In this home page, here, see quick actions. As a manager, as a HR, as an employee, what you can do. You view my profile. You can see your profile. You can see the report center. You can download the mobile app. And if you are a manager, you can approve any workflow requests, right? If you want to update your timesheet, clock my timesheet. If you want to apply the leave, you can apply the leave. The quick action tiles we called as. Now you are the developer here. You are the developer. Just a second. You are the developer. You are the consultant. You need to design this system. You need to design this system. So as the part of that, first we are creating the F4 data in the system. The consultant page name is called Admin Center. Admin Center. From this page, you need to develop the entire system. That means to develop any of the requirement, the transaction codes are available in Admin Center. If you look at the system, see here, there is a home drop-down list. Here, all modules, see all modules, the end user, all modules are here. See, there is a Admin Center. SuccessFactors, you need not to know any coding. It's a codeless software. No coding here. Nothing any coding here. To develop anything here, nothing any coding. Okay. Once I come to Admin Center here, look at here, tools. Tools. See all. Here, these transaction codes are all modules related. Not only for Employee Central, all modules related. For example, if you come to our module is Employee Central, see employee files. This is Employee Central module related. All transaction codes are available here. All transaction codes are available here. You need to keep in mind employee files. So now my question is, how to create F4 data in the system? We have two categories of the objects, right? To create F4 data, that means legacy foundation objects data. The transaction code is manage, organization, pay, and job structure. Simple. We have three structures, right? Org structure, pay structure, and job structure. So the transaction code is manage, organization, pay, and job structure. To create MDF data, the transaction code is manage data. Now, to create FO data, this is the transaction code. To create MDF data, manage data. So how to reach these transaction codes in the system? The moment you log in into the system, it's a home page, right? Anyone, once you log in into the system, you land on home page. Here, you are a consultant, right? You are developing the system. So first, you need to create the data about foundation table. To do that, admin center. Choose admin center. Once you come to admin center, the section called tools. Here, choose see all. All these are different modules, transaction codes. Our module is Employee Central, which means employee files. Come to here, employee files. And first we need to create FO data, right? Legacy foundation objects. See here, manage organization, pay and job structure. And the second one, manage data. See, the transaction codes are here. Choose this. See, manage organization, pay and job structures. Here you have again two sections, search as well as create new. Search and create new. See here, create new. Create new in the sense to create any new records. Search, it is for existing records, to search for existing records. So let's open my workbook. So the data is with me, the transaction codes with me, and the system also with me. Now what I need to do? I need to configure the system. That means create all these records in the system. For example, location. The first object is location. For this location object, total I have 3 records. As per the discussion with the client, they have 3 records. These 3 records I need to create in the system. So create new. In this drop-down list, you need to select location. This is the object. As discussed already, all objects are it's a soft devices to store the data. Now in this location object, we need to create 3 records, which means location object stores 3 records data. Choose location and location. Now see, the moment I open the location, it is asking few details to fulfill. I need to create total 3 records, right? Let us create the first record, Hyderabad. Let us create the first record, Hyderabad. Effective as of. That means this record effective from. This record is active from. Not created from. Created means that it's a today. System automatically capture that date. This record is active from. Always we need to use the recommendable practice, SAP suggested practice for all the records, not only this one. Anywhere, if you create any record, you need to give the uniform date, one unique date, that is 01/01/1900. 01/01/1900. Code. For each and every record, must and should maintain one unique code. Each and every record must and should maintain one unique code. In the real time, we use the direct names because the real-time system is only for client specific, not for all. So here, being it's a demo system, a number of students are using this system. Might be they also create with the same records Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. So to identify our records easily, let's say our client name is what? It's a MTS, right? A matrix, right? So let us use like this. Prefix. For each and every record, unique code and name, let us use the prefix as matrix. MATX _ Hyderabad. Now the name, the location name, MATX Hyderabad. Location group, description not required. Location group, it's not required. Time zone, it's a Asia, Kolkata. Fine. Now time zone, this field has some issue. Here it will come Asia and Kolkata. In this drop down list, it is not coming. Okay, that's fine. Weekly hours, it's not a mandatory field. Weekly hours, 40. Per day, 8 hours. And weekly 5 days. If take 8 into 5, 40 days. And the geo zone, geologically located this location in India. So you can choose India. And address of this location, business address of this location. See, country, region, India. And city, Hyderabad. Okay. Save it. See, this is the way to create the record. Is it clear? This is the way to create the records. Now, for example, by mistake, I have created this record with the wrong details. See here in the requirement, client requirement, it is showing simply Hyderabad location, Chennai location, and Bangalore location. But if you want to create one location, see, this is the work to you. You need to provide all these details, and if you save the record, then system will create one record, that is Hyderabad. At the same time, in Employee Central system, the beauty of this system is whenever you create any record here, system automatically show you the details, who created that, when created that, the time zone as well, everything system will give you. So no one cannot skip or mistake or any wrong details maintained, who created, easily we can identify. Okay, for example, the weekly hours are 40. Actually, it's a 48. By mistake, I have created with the 40. Now, how can you edit this? How can you correct this? See here, the record related, take action, make correction. Then automatically it will become to edit mode. So again, choose 48. And again, save the record. See, save. You can choose save the record. See, now it's 48. Take action, make correction. If you want to delete the record permanently, you can delete it. See, system is giving warning. Do you want to really delete this record? If you want, you can delete it. Then automatically it will delete permanently. You can't search anywhere. See, if you choose location, MATX, right? We used. See, there were no results because we have used permanently delete record. Then it will be deleted from the database. Okay. So let me create one more time. Location. This record is effective from 01/01/1900. And code we are using MATX _ Hyderabad. And the name also I'm giving same MATX Hyderabad. The prefix I'm using MATX because to search our records easily. Okay. Next. Location group, time zone not required. Weekly hours are 40. And country address, India. And the city, it's Hyderabad. Okay. And I'm saving it. For example, in a Hyderabad location, Matrix company, in a Hyderabad location, every week, the standard weekly hours are 40. Standard weekly hours are 40. Since starting onwards, let's say this company started in 2001. This company started in 2001. Since day one onwards, this company's Hyderabad location office hours are 40 hours per week. But from January 2026, onwards, the company policy was changed. The Hyderabad location office hours are 48. That means one day increased. 48. Just a second. It's a 48 from 2026 Jan onwards. How can you configure this statement? This is a simple statement from the client. How can you configure this? Simple. Come to your record. See, take action, make correction, right? If you take action, make correction, and if you update 48 hours, it will come from 01/01/1900. No, I require this change effective from 2026 Jan 1st. In that case, choose insert new record. Insert new record. Okay, proceed and update with 48 and save it. Both the records are active, but system consider that what about the record, whatever the record in the system as of today, system will consider that. See, in the data history, here you have two records. From 01/01/1900 onwards, it's a 40 hours up to December 31st, 2025. From Jan 1st, 2026, the standard weekly hours are 48. Got my point? I'm deleting this record. It's not required. Okay. This is the way create the records. Once you create the records, let's say, for example, my work is completed for today. I'm logged out and I'm going to home. Next day, once you come to the office, you need to complete remaining work. And just to check our records in the system, whether it's available or not. See here, home drop down list, admin center, tools, manage organization, pay and job structure. I make it as a favorite to see here. That's why it is coming here. And I want to search my record. Yesterday I have created my records. I want to search those records. See, search option. Which record that you want to search? Which object related location? How can you search? With the name. If I search with Hyderabad, see, n number of Hyderabad records are coming. Where is my record? Because all are showing with the name Hyderabad, because multiple students practicing with the different names. That's why to filter it out, our locations, that's why I have given the prefix MATX. See, now our record easily that we can identify. And if you open, see, this is your record. Is it clear how to create the records? At the same time, one more shortcut here to reach your transaction codes. If you use the path like admin center, tools, and employee files like that, or if you know very well to create legacy foundation objects or MDF foundation objects, if you know very well the transaction codes, you can directly search here. You need not to use the path. Manage organization. See, manage organization, pay and job structure. You can land on the same page if you know very well. If not, you can use the path. That's up to you. That's up to you. Both the options that we have. If you know the transaction code very well, you can search directly in the search box. This is called global header search box. You can search the employees, you can search the transaction codes. Okay. Just to define foundation table. Yeah. Foundation objects in Employee Central. Why foundation objects in Employee Central? Can anyone read this? Building blocks of Employee Central. The foundation, right? Before hiring the employee, foundation objects are the prerequisites. Building blocks of Employee Central. Predefined objects. org structure, pay structure, and job structure. And these are integrate with all other modules also, automatically integrate with all other modules, used across all modules. What are foundation objects? Predefined objects, because I haven't designed these objects in the system. Those are predefined objects that represents your org structure of the company, like company, business unit, division, department, cost center, and location. All these are represents your company org structure. And these are predefined objects. All these are predefined objects and standard and fixed. So it's a predefined, it's a static structure, custom created and flexible structure. Yes. To set up your org structure, the foundation objects are the key. These are the base. The real-time scenario here, if you look at here, real-time scenario in general, create new record. See, we have created Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore, 3 records. Here they mentioned only 1 record. Creates location in FO, the foundation objects in FO. Why we are creating these records? Because at the time of hiring, we need to assign the location to the employees, right? So that's why we are creating all these records. Okay. So that's about foundation table, just an explanation in a e-picture format. Okay, now I have completed my legacy foundation objects org structure details. So the pay structure and next MDF foundation objects data that will start from tomorrow. It will take one end-to-end class. So is it clear on today's session?